And so what's causing all this?
Trauma and some incidents in life that have impacted my mind and my body.
Right, and what are you suffering right now?
I have 3 bulging discs, a spinal cord injury. I have been diagnosed with bipolar, complex post-traumatic stress disorder, dissociative identity disease.
So where's the worst pain now? In your spine?
Spine, my hip, my knees, my throat, my neck, my head.
What's your name?
Rochelle.
Give me for Rochelle.
Yeah, thank you.
She's a touch me. Just relax, Rochelle. She just relax. She's right now. We go out. It's a float up, float up, float up. Free. Free. Oh. Excuse me. Watch out! This woman, help her up, help her up, help her up! Man, excuse me. Dealing with me.
Well, my whole back just had like a chiropractor experience.
Where's the pain now?
It's nowhere.
Oh! Very happy.
Yeah, I am. Did you hear my bones crack?
It went funny, didn't it? It cracked.
My neck was like cracked. I could feel it cracking.
Now, when I was praying, you try and explain what did you feel going through you? You look shocked.
And I'm a woman, I can talk. This is really amazing. It's like the most pure love rushing through your complete DNA.
He loves you so much.
I love you too.
Today was your time for a miracle.
How's your mind feeling, Rochelle?
Really good, very quiet. It's been a long time.
Feel peaceful?
Very.
How's your throat?
I forgot about it. Oh my goodness.
Is there anything else to pray for?
With me?
Yeah, at the moment. Can you feel anything that needs another touch?
No, not really. Praise Jesus.
You're a bit woozy.
It's a very strange, wonderful feeling.
God bless you, Rochelle.